I'm Phil, still reviewing software, and I love it when I start reviewing something thinking it's going to be rubbish, this, and then I keep on at it, and I think, wow, this is actually a good bit of kit, and that has happened today. And the intro you saw there was made with it, and you'll have to keep on watching to the end, because the end screen was made with it, and you can make lots and lots of video clips, templates, all sorts of stuff with it. So, in all of my videos, there's a link. That is the best discount link. I do update it regularly. Please subscribe to the channel because, well, I love getting my videos out there, and the more that see it, the merrier. So are you ready? We're going to jump in and we're going to have a look at FlexClip. And as we jump inside FlexClip, the first thing that hits you is how much stuff there is. How many templates for all different occasions, for all type of event. Also vertical ones for TikTok and Instagram. All visual, most of them animated. If you hover over them, you get an idea. But there is so much and so many categories. You've got intros and outros, maybe for your YouTube channel. You hover over it, it'll give you a look. This summer. There's another one with your company's name, and you can put your company's name or you can put your logo in there, paste it in. Really easy to change. What else have we got as we go away from templates? If your company's having a promo or a sale, flogging some trainers, fashion. I don't know what a body checkup flash sale is, but I need one of them. Flash your body, food, all these different templates. And like all of these things, you can just jump in there and customize them, which I'll be showing you in a minute. We go back to slideshows. They're quite sad, these, actually. There's quite a few about remembering people who've passed away. But there's also a nice Instagram slideshow there. So many really nice visual graphics that are easy, and this is one I was hit with, which are easy to change. So we'll scroll through it, and I love the fact as soon as you hover over them, they play back. So straight away you get an idea of what each template can do for you. And depending on your subscription, you can download these in low quality or in full 1080p. High quality. Loads of great videos. I don't normally spend this time going through stuff, but I'm really impressed with the quality of the stuff that FlexClip has to offer. Alright, so let's look at the YouTube stuff. I've already used that one to make one. Oh, I've showed you now, but look at this. All these different YouTube intros, outros, hooks. So should we customize one of these? I think we should. I'm just having cheeky thoughts about what I can do. I'm going to set up a new travel vlog. Alright, and what I've found is doing these, you can, like, if you're familiar with editing, you can use the timeline mode and drag stuff in and adjust the timeline. But I found it much easier to use the storyboard mode. It does take a while for them to load up. So we'll just sit here in silence for a minute, or maybe I'll edit it out. Do you dare me just to leave this in like this? See how many of you turn off. So there it is. I'm going to make a travel vlog. Well, I'm not. Actually, we'll change this. We'll make another alternative, Phil Reviews. So, Phil Reviews. Alright, and stuff. Okay, so again, if you just look at the editing, like all of these things, you can move everything about. So if I want to squeeze in the Phil Reviews stuff, move that YouTube thing over there a bit, no problem. Squeeze in the stuff. I could have reduced the font if I wanted to. And we're going to change the name of my channel. Very easy. You see, you don't have to... I was just double clicking on it there, but you don't have to double click. You can just delete and type Phil Reviews, channel name, and subscribe. So we play that through with the lovely lady with the hat on. So we're going to have to kind of... Do you know what? I'm going to have to record something in... I'm going to have to jump into Medicam to try and record something a little bit funny. How long is it? Right, so I'm going to pause this video. I'm actually going to have to stop it on Medicam. Don't worry about what I'm talking about now. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to record something for the background to replace that video in Medicam and then add it on and see how easy it is. So we'll be back. Right, so I'm back and I've just recorded a really cheesy video. It's really bad, but it doesn't matter. So I can just show you this. And currently we've got this as our video. And you can see I've changed the text, so it now says Phil Reviews stuff. But obviously I've got to change that video. So that video is set as a background. So I right click on it and I click detach background. and then I just dragged the video I've just uploaded, drag that into there. There's me. I literally just did this. Don't ask me why I picked up a razor. It was all that I had. Set that as the background. And now look, here we go. I'll probably have to use that on the channel now. Watch it again, go on. It's good, isn't it? Alright, and that's as easy as it is. It is very easy. This is what I love about stuff like this, when it's easy. Export it, so I just click export. I've got the full version, so I can download it in 1080, and it downloads. You can share the link with people. You can embed it to your social media. I'm not going to click on that one. Or save it to your Dropbox or to your Google Drive. It's good, isn't it? I like this a lot. And again, as I said at the start of this video, I thought, I'm not going to use this. But I think I am going to use it. So there we go. That is downloaded. I've got it. You can continue editing. I've just thought I'm not recording the sound. Just give us a sound. Is it playing back? Oh, it is. So there you go. Just let me check this one as well. You can import it as a GIF. Proper size GIF. Let's have a look. Export. So you know what GIFs are. You can use them across your social media. I can become a GIF. Oh, hang on. Let me drag this over so you can see. Hey, yes, look at that. So I've exported it. I like this. I've exported it as a GIF, and then you could save that GIF. You can make that go viral for me, everybody, as a meme or whatever they are. I don't understand what I'm talking about. It's pretty good stuff, isn't it? Continue editing. And that's it, really, again. You can add. Let's go down the left. So you can add text. So many different fonts, fancy fonts, clean fonts. Just want to go through so you see everything it is. It's very versatile. Promo badges, new style badges, profiles. You can do all sorts. Cool comic bubbles and stuff. Let's try and add a comic bubble into it now, just quickly to show you. It's just loading up, and I can change that text, can I? Say sub. What can I say? Like, because that's what we all do. Like. I'd spend my time, I'd move it about everywhere, but you can see that there's so much you can add. So you start off with your custom point. There's so many videos, so many templates. You can upload all of them. Let's just have a look at all the videos that come with it. Stock videos that come with it. Photos that come with it, but of course you can upload your own. Music wise, it does say about if you're attaching music to. There's another process you go to at the end to make sure there's no copyright claims on YouTube, but they say they will do that all for you. So much music you can add. Here are the elements and stuff you can add to your little videos. So speech bubbles, promos, sales, memes, numbers. There's a lot. What are overlays? Let's have a look at overlays. So you can add logo overlays, decorative overlays. Let's see if we added that one onto it. Cool. Lots of different backgrounds, and you can add your branding. So if you had your logo, they always stay there. No, all right, that's very good. Wow, I like this. I'm liking it more. So if you want to have your branding which goes across all of your different videos, you can decide on the size of it, make it bigger or smaller, how transparent it is. Oh, this is so good. And you can decide where you're going to put it on the screen. Wow, wow, wow. I really did. When I got the link to try this out, I wasn't sure. And I just think now I can kind of know I'm going to spend lots of time making funny little clips for my videos and social media. That's it really. So down the left is all the stuff you add to your templates, or of course you can start from blank. You can transform them, you can adjust the speed, you can change the filters and do everything to them. And when you're finished, you can get help, by the way, from FlexClip. You can save them and export them. And down the right is just your account details. I'm on the business plan, a tutorial of how it works, and you can set your language. What a great tool for making video templates. I'm very impressed. let's sum up. So would I use FlexClip? At first I thought no, because sometimes I use some of this video software and it just doesn't work for me. But really easy to use, really easy to change the templates, really simple to upload a quick video and put it on the template, to change the text and the font, to drag and drop. Yes, I would use it. I'm loving it. Is it versatile? Yes, there's a lot of stuff on there. Lots of material, lots of artwork, and lots of things you can do to it and things you can add. Would I recommend it to friends? Yes, definitely. If they're making videos, they need to make short clips, this could be for them, and I think for you as well. So, in the link below, in the description, you will find a great deal. I think it's 20% off for FlexClip. Give it a try. You can have a free trial, see how it goes, and do subscribe to my videos, because you've got a cheesy little video that I made in FlexClip coming up that says, do subscribe to my videos. And I will see you next time for another one.